Alright guys, well, talk to me. We're gonna try something. I don't even know if this has been tried before, but I was up here one day and I talked to the owner and I was like, hey, do you think you'd care if I ran my machine through a car wash? And he says, no, I don't care. He said, everybody uses it. He was thinking that one. And I was like, no. No, I'm thinking like the auto wash. And he was like, what? And I was like, the auto wash thing. Whee! Clean this baby up. It was awesome. I don't know if it'll work or not, but he was like, try it. He said, don't come with your undercarriage full of stuff. And I was like, okay, I like this. I did the underbody wash thing and it's got side shooters. I just went back and forth, tried to get my money's worth. I was hoping I didn't waste $7. To tell me to stop. There we go. Alright. Well, hopefully this doesn't do anything to my machine. Like I said, I don't know if maybe this has been done before, but we're gonna see what happens. My machine's like crazy muddy, dirty. It's supposed to be soaking. Oh, here we go. Pre-soak. Here we go. I'm keeping it on, my RPM's all the way up, just in case something happens. Like I said, I'm not quite sure what's about to happen. Boy, that's a ways away. It could get a little closer. Get a little closer, man. So maybe it won't get the back very clean because it's like a million miles away. You guys let me know that, I'll look around, I guess, see if I find anybody that did this, but I thought it was a good idea. Got some pre-soak going on. I wish that thing got a little closer, but it's probably got like a thing to where it has to go back so far, but it's a ways away from me. It's not pre-soaking back here. Pre-soak! Alright, here we go. High pressure wash. I think it does 2 passes. I come up here with my truck a lot. It does pretty good just for a pressure washer, basically. Oh, windows leak just a little, but that's like high pressure. My door didn't leak any. No, my door wasn't leaking at all. So, and the windows just barely bubbled up in there. Not a little bit right there. I think it'll do another pass. Oh yeah. Clean her up. Clean her up. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Good stuff. I wish it got a little closer back there, but that's alright. I can deal with that. Oh, I didn't show you guys the machine before. It was nasty. Oh yes, I did. There's a video of me saying, I'll put a little clip of it in there. Now what we do? Oh, spot-free rinse. All right. Don't even have to do that. I guess I could have done one without that if they have one, but that's alright. Looks like it put some kind of chemical or something on them. It went way back here that time. Is that it? That's it. it. I'll do a little clip maybe and let you guys see how bad it was. It was pretty bad. Let's see what it looks like. Man, if that worked, I'll spend the money and do that, because that saves me from having to oh, that's pretty good. Like, there's a little bit of stuff left in there, and this is grease. That's not coming off anyway. But no, I mean, that looks way better. Way better. It was bad. It had mud all caked in there. That's nothing compared to what it was. Hell, I'm half tempted to run it through again. I am really half tempted to run it through again. Maybe I'll run it through for like the $6 wash. No, that's crazy. Maybe I'll go to the wash bay. I got the majority off of it. All right, well, I'm gonna go to a wash bay and get my undercarriage sprayed out. Make it, you know, as good as I can. I'm here. I might as well, right? All right, well, we just got the, I just went ahead and sprayed out the undercarriage and all that. Got it cleaned up. There's a couple reasons why I ran this through the car wash. For one, I wanted to see what it'd do, because there's a lot of times, like winter, that I don't want to drag out the power washer to wash my machine. And I've recently been diagnosed with OCD by my wife. So I don't know if that's, you know, a medical opinion or not, but she diagnosed me with OCD and some other stuff I can't say on camera. Anyways, but my thought is if that worked good, and it worked really well, I'm pretty pleased. It got it really clean, because it was very dirty. I'd almost just come by once a week instead of doing it at my house, and I'll go in there and have it wash the underneath side and all that, because I can't get under the machine. But it worked really well. So if you guys get your machine like crazy dirty and you need to run it through a car wash, you think it worked pretty good. At least the one here in town, if you're in town, the one in Baser does pretty good. So, and like I said, Daniel said, he told me to tell everybody if somebody had a problem with it, to tell them Daniel said it was okay. Now, I might get a phone call or a letter or something. I kind of feel like I need to go clean that bay out, because it does have some mud and stuff in the middle. It was really clean when I got here. But I cleaned off as much as I could. It's just everything inside the tracks. But anyways, two, besides it being very dirty today, I just unloaded the salt. I put salt in my salt bin, and I had 2 days worth of loading salt into my salt bin. Well, you know, whenever you get road salt, it's got dust. It's got salt dust, and it's very fine. It was flying all over. My thought was if I did this, it would clean the machine up really good. See, I got the undercarriage clean, and you drive it and mud slings from somewhere magical, and it gets all over your undercarriage again. But for the most part, the machine is very clean compared to what it was. That's not bad at all. See, I didn't get that. I started to feel bad because it had mud going everywhere, but it was dirty. I cleaned it up the best I could with the shovel. But anyways, that's why I did it. I wasn't trying to do it to get YouTube views or something like that. I wanted to make sure that I got all that salt dust and everything else off of it, but it worked good enough that I may bring it up in the winter, and I'm probably going to run it through this. It'd be worth me hauling this up here to wash it once a week, once every couple weeks, when I'm not pulling a power washer out and messing with it when it's 30 degrees. You guys have a good one. Maybe it gives you an idea. See ya.